Alright, back for a winter day number 2. Today we are just going to do a little overview on what we have been talking about in the last one, which was the cage raffles. People are still interested in that, or honestly at this point, if people are willing to buy it outright, we're not getting a lot of hits for raffle tickets. So if anybody wants to buy these cages outright, let me know. Brand new 03636 cage and a brand new Z125 cage. So both gloss black, both front. Let me know if you guys want them. Also wanted to talk about the sticker pack, because stickers are coming in today or tomorrow, and so I will have the full sticker pack together. I'll be putting all 3 together and ready to ship out. I have another envelope full of stickers going out to Nevada right now and a few other places, so let me know if you guys want them shipped. Yeah, otherwise, winter overview number 2. What I've been noticing a lot is a lot of people have these lens covers on their headlights, and I like the way it looks because it matches, like, you know, blue with blue or green with green. So what just came in is this blue headlight cover by LAMIN-X. It was on Amazon for, I think, like 20 bucks. Definitely worth it. So today we will be installing the headlight cover and we're gonna have to figure out how this goes on. Alright, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. Yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to all the people that have gotten stickers or have liked, shared, subscribed to my YouTube. Thank you guys. Hopefully we will be back out soon and this snow doesn't stay for long. It does seem to be melting a little today, you know, so maybe this winter won't be as long as normal and we could get back out. But keep watching, and till next time.